Hello everyone, and welcome to the Facts Forum channel. Today, we're taking a fascinating journey through the history and facts about one of the most popular game of the world, golf. In this video, we'll explore the rich history of golf, uncover little-known facts, and highlight how the game has evolved over the centuries. Stay tuned for a deep dive into the fascinating world of golf. Golf is a sport played with clubs and a small, hard ball on a large outdoor course. The objective of the game is to hit the ball into a series of holes on the course in as few strokes as possible. Golf is played individually or in teams of 2 or more, and the player or team with the lowest total score at the end of the game is declared the winner. Golf courses typically consist of 18 holes, although some courses may have 9 or 27 holes. Each hole is marked by a tee box, from which the ball is initially hit, and a green, where the hole is located. The player or team must hit the ball from the tee box, along the fairway, and onto the green, before putting the ball into the hole. Golf is a sport that requires a combination of skill, strategy, and mental focus. Players must master the techniques of driving, chipping, and putting, as well as reading the terrain and the wind. Golf can be played at any age and is enjoyed by both amateur and professional players around the world. The exact origin of golf is unclear, but it is believed to have developed in Scotland in the late Middle Ages. The earliest known reference to golf is a Scottish Act of Parliament from 1457, which prohibited the playing of golf, an Old Scottish spelling of golf, because it interfered with the practice of archery, which was seen as a necessary skill for national defence. The first recorded game of golf was played at St Andrews in Scotland in 1552. The game continued to be popular in Scotland throughout the 17th and 18th centuries, and the first golf club, the Honourable Company of Edinburgh Golfers, was established in 1744. Golf spread to England and then to the rest of the world during the 19th century. The first golf club outside of Scotland was established in England in 1766, and the first golf club in the United States was founded in 1888. The first Open Championship, now known as the British Open, was played in 1860, and the first US Open was held in 1895. Today, golf is played by millions of people around the world and is considered one of the most popular and prestigious sports. The sport has evolved over the years, with changes to the equipment and the rules, but the basic objective remains the same: to hit the ball into the hole in as few strokes as possible. Let's dive into some interesting facts about golf game. Golf is believed to have originated in Scotland in the 15th century. The word golf is thought to have derived from the Scottish word goof, which means to strike. The oldest golf course in the world is the Old Links at Musselburgh in Scotland, which dates back to 1672. The highest golf course in the world is the Yak Golf Course in India, which is situated at 14,760 feet above sea level. The longest hole in the world is the 7th hole of the Satsuki Golf Club in Japan, which is 964 yards long. The shortest hole in the world is the 8th hole of the Coober Pedy Opal Fields Golf Club in Australia, which is only 50 yards long. The first golf balls were made of wood, later made of feathers stuffed into leather pouches, which were called featheries. The first golf balls made of rubber were introduced in the mid-19th century. Golf balls used in professional tournaments today typically have between 300 and 500 dimples. The longest recorded drive in professional golf history was hit by Mike Austin in 1974. The drive traveled 515 yards. The shortest recorded hole-in-one in professional golf history was hit by Robert Mitterer in 1976. The hole was only 42 yards long. The first golf course in the United States was built in Charleston, South Carolina in 1786. Golf is played on all 7 continents, including Antarctica. The largest golfing green in the world is the 22,000 square foot green of the 5th hole at the International Golf Club in Massachusetts. The term birdie was first used in 1899 by A. Flat Smith, a golfer who hit a shot that he described as a bird of a shot. The term eagle was first used in the early 20th century to describe a score of 2 strokes under par. The term hole-in-one was first used in the early 20th century to describe a shot that goes directly into the hole from the tee. The term four is used as a warning call to alert other golfers that a ball is headed their way. The term caddy comes from the French word cadet, which means younger son. Some of the famous golfers in the world: Jack Nicklaus. Nicklaus is widely considered one of the greatest golfers of all time, with a record 18 major championship wins. Tiger Woods. Woods is another golfer who is often cited as one of the greatest of all time. He has won 15 major championships and 82 PGA Tour events. Arnold Palmer. Palmer was a dominant force in golf during the 1950s and 60s. He won 7 major championships and is credited with popularizing the sport around the world. Ben Hogan. Hogan was known for his precise ball striking and mental toughness. He won 9 major championships and is still considered one of the greatest players of all time. Golf culture, dress code. Golf has a strict dress code that is enforced at most courses. Typically, golfers are expected to wear collared shirts, slacks, and golf shoes. Caddies. Golfers often use caddies to carry their clubs and offer advice on shots. The role of the caddy is deeply rooted in the history of the sport. Honesty. Golf is a game of honor, and golfers are expected to follow the rules and be honest about their scores. These are some of the interesting and surprising facts about golf. To know more general facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.